Good morning. We're gonna cook something today. Let's see what's on the menu. Let's see what we're gonna cook today. Nope. 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 What to cook? What to cook? So many options. Nope. 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 Perfect. Pizza. Okay, we're gonna cook some pizza, baby. Okay. Please enjoy some pizza while we're gonna cook some in the microwave. Okay. We're gonna cook some pizza. Okay, 3 minutes and 10 minutes. Okay. Now let's get started. Whoops, oopsie. Now let's find that instruction. Okay. We're cooking by 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Okay? We're gonna cook for 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Okay, we're gonna place the pizza. Okay, we're gonna open the microwave. Okay. Now we're gonna do some time cooks. Okay, let me sign the time cook for 3 minutes and 10 seconds. We wait for the pizza to finish. Google shows us a funny joke. Hey Google! Hey Google! Hey Google! Tell us a funny joke.
Why shouldn't you write with a broken pencil? Because it's pointless.
Hey Google! Hey Google! Hey Google! Hey Google! Tell us another joke.
What do clouds wear under their shorts? Thunderpants.
Now that was funny. Let's see another one. Well, we have 2 minutes and 29 seconds. Hey Google! Hey Google! Hey Google! Tell us another joke.
Why did the man name his dogs Rolex and Timex? Because they were watchdogs.
No, that is hilarious. Hey Google! Tell us another joke.
Why was the stadium so cool? It was filled with fans.
Hey Google! Tell us another joke.
Why was the cheetah so bad at hide and seek? No matter where she hid, she was always spotted.
Hey Google! Hey Google! Tell us another joke.
What's the difference between a hippo and a Zippo? One is really heavy, and the other is a little lighter.
Hey Google! Hey Google! Hey Google! Hey Google! Tell us another joke.
How did the fire fall in love? It found its perfect match.
Hey Google! Hey Google! Hey Google! Excuse me for a second, guys, so I'll be right back. Hey Google! Hey Google! Tell us the last joke.
Did you hear about the two antennas that got married? The ceremony was okay, but the reception was great.
Okay, that was the last joke tonight? Okay. Hey Google! Drum roll! Okay, everybody. We have our winner today. Congratulations, me! I'm just kidding. There was no winner today. But the popular video is me and Tony at the barbershop is really popular. That's the winner today. 48 hearts. And a lot of comment. That's the video is always popular. Okay, the food is done cooking. Now, hey Google! Hey Google! Second drum roll.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Hey Google! Drum roll. And the second popular video is me doing the muffin. What's that, people? Okay, now to get out of the spatula. Now let me rinse off the spatula. Now you all must be extra careful for getting off the pizza because it's super hot. So you want to be extra careful. Okay, you want to be extra careful before you bite the pizza. Okay, because it's super hot. Okay? So you want to be extra careful when you're cooking a pizza in the microwave. Now, the pizza is completely done. Before we sign off, we have an announcement. Hey Google! Drum roll, please. Me and Donna has 4 days with the Ark. 4 days with the Ark instead of 2 days. Okay. Now, if I got any questions or anything, just let me know. Hey Google! Hey Google! Say goodbye.
See you later.
Okay, you heard Google. See y'all later. Hey Google! Hey Google! Hey Google! Hey Google! Say goodbye to the audience.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Hey Google! Say goodbye.
Bye for now. Hope you and your loved ones are safe and healthy.
Okay, you heard Google. Hope your loved ones are safety. And be extra careful and stay 4 feet apart from each other when you go in stores. Okay, thank you, and please have a nice day. This is Kindness signing off for one last time. But there will be more cooking videos soon. Okay, this is Kindness signing off. Before we sign off, thank you for watching, and good night. Good afternoon, everybody. See y'all in the morning. Because I am. See y'all. Watch my farming videos on YouTube. My classified area. Please watch my farming games I have posted. Okay, thank you and goodbye.